Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany and this is Brittany Allen Crafts. I have a trash to treasure video for you today. I redid this shelf and I really think you guys are going to like it. So before anything else, let's just get started. I started by taking off that paint from the top and I just had to chip it away because it was already peeling off. So I chipped it off and then I sanded what wouldn't come off, and I just wanted to show you guys I am wearing a mask. I've had this mask forever. I wear it whenever I do stuff like this, and I had my air filter going, so don't worry about me. But I'm using some ivory paint, and I'm just gonna I ended up having to give this thing 4 coats of paint. And while I do that, I wanted to go ahead and tell you guys, if you haven't already, I'd love to have y'all as a part of my YouTube family. So hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell. And if you want to help my channel to grow, I would so much appreciate it if you would share on your social media accounts or with your friends and family. It would mean the world to me, and you can help my channel to grow personally. And while you're at it, if you don't mind going ahead and giving this video a thumbs up. And I love hearing from you guys in the comments, so let me know, what do you think of this DIY? Would you have done anything differently? And if so, what would you have done differently? Alright, so I'm using some caulk from Dollar Tree that I've had for a while, and I'm just going to fill in some little cracks and spots where the wood was messed up, and a few areas where when I was sanding and scraping, it sort of messed up the wood a little bit. So I'm just going to fill that in with some caulk because that's really all I have. I would have liked to have been able to use wood filler, but we got to do what we got to do right now, guys. Alright, so I had this contact paper. I've had it for a while. I actually wish I had some other contact paper, but this ended up being perfect. I would have liked to have went to Walmart and found some that would have matched what I wanted to do with this better, but it turned out to be perfect. So yeah, it's just another situation of having to use what I already had. So I really like the way it turned out. I hope you guys do as well. But I'm not going to explain to you how I wrap this. It's better just to watch because I'm awful at explaining stuff like this. So yeah, so I'll wrap this bad boy with some contact paper and then I will be back. I got my board all wrapped up. It looks so pretty, I think. And now I'm just going to slide it into the back. As you see, I already had the top one done. Now I'm using this Hampton Art ink, and I'm going to cover up this floral stamp that I had from In Love Art Shop. They had sent me this and some other things for free back a while ago. This is how it looks, and this is how the shelf turned out. You guys, I'm in love with it. It looks so, so beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys more DIYs displayed on this. I really hope that you guys like it. Let me know down in the comments what you think. And go check out some more of my other DIYs. These are actually some of my DIYs displayed on this shelf. So I'll link a few and I'll put a few cards up. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.